Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Punnuri. In today's video, we'll make very cute animals and birds using plastic bottles, which can be a home decor as well as garden accessories. So before get on to the process, let's see the materials required. Firstly, remove the label on the bottle. If you find any residue of glue on the bottle, apply any oil on the glue and leave it for 3 to 4 hours or leave it overnight. Now wipe it with a cloth. If you still find traces of glue, then do the same process again till you get rid of the glue. You must have noticed that I used this bottle in my previous videos also. The reason is the bottle doesn't have any design, it's totally plain, so I can use most of it. Not only that, I can make different decor using other parts of the bottle, which I already did. We will use the center part of the bottle and save the other parts of the bottle to make different decor in future. These are the different templates of decor which we are going to make today. You can trace these designs from the phone directly, you don't have to get them printed. Now trace the design on the plastic sheet and cut it along the outline. I am not very good at making 3D figures. So to get that effect, I tried this new way by using M-Seal. Apply some oil or Vaseline in your palms before mixing the two substances of M-Seal. Wait for the M-Seal to become little hard but not too hard. Then start rolling it and make it a thin rope or string kind as you are seeing in the video. To get uniform rope, you can take help of sponge. And now put the M-Seal rope on entire outline of the template. M-Seal itself sticks on any surface, but if it is too hard, then it doesn't stick. In that case, you can use Fevicol and stick the rope. After putting the M-Seal rope on the outline, you will have enough time to get it into the perfect shape till M-Seal becomes hard completely. Dab your fingers in any talcum powder and then smoothen the M-Seal. After M-Seal becomes hard completely, apply Fevicryl fabric color. I got this color by adding little red and little yellow in white. After the first coat gets completely dried, apply the second coat. Do the same process with the other templates and use different colors. I always use Asian Paints Aquadur PU varnish, which is water based. You get this both in gloss and matte finish. Only thing is it doesn't come in less than 1 liter quantity, and the cost of it is around 700. You can buy it online or in any local hardware shop. If you don't want go for 1 liter quantity, another option is Décor varnish. This also you get both in gloss and matte finish. The cost of 100 ml Décor varnish is 250 rupees, which you can buy online. Take little varnish and apply with a brush like any other varnish. After the first coat gets completely dried, apply another coat. Now we will prepare the mold. For that, take any plastic container. You can take either square or a round one. Cut the container to make it open on both sides. Make a horizontal cut in the center of one side of the container. Now our mold is ready. This is a wall putty, which is white cement based powder. You can buy any brand and it is very easily available at any local hardware shop. Now to make the base, add water little by little in wall putty and make it into a dough consistency. Using your hands to mix the powder is convenient, and you can wash your hands, clean your hands very easily later. Now knead it little more and place the wall putty mix in the mold, and put rubber bands around the mold so that the mold will not open and remains intact. Now press the wall putty nicely so that it will take the shape of the mold, and leave it for drying. It takes nearly 12 hours for the wall putty to become dry completely. But before it becomes completely hard, insert this metal wire in the center. After 12 hours, remove the rubber bands and open the mold slowly. So here is your wall putty block. Don't worry about the finishing of the block. We can make it perfect by using sandpaper. As we used a plastic bottle as mold, it is very smooth from inside. Even if we did not use any oil or cream inside, you may notice that the block came out very easily. Small imperfections can be sanded out with sandpaper. Now give the block a good rub down until you get a smooth finish. Finally, wipe the block with a cloth to get rid of the powder and make it clean. Now we will paint the block using Fevicryl fabric color. You can paint with whatever color you want. Here I am using white color to make a white block. Here is a small hack if you want to avoid painting and applying varnish. You can use Fevicryl glass color, and you don't even need to use a painting brush. Just add little glass color and smudge it evenly with your finger. And this acts as a sealer and varnish. So this is how you can arrange the animals and birds on the blocks which we made with wall putty. As we made these birds with plastic, they are very lightweight. You can stick them using masking tape, and I fixed a wooden bead on metal wire for the final look. I am very happy the way the blocks turned out. We can really experiment in many ways using these blocks. So this is what art around house is all about. I hope you all enjoyed my video, and in my next video we'll see how we'll display these animals and birds in my other window garden. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you all in my next video. Thank you.